Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 10th. I am M.Ashraf, teacher Boys High School Magam. Today we are studying biology. We shall study endocrine and exocrine glands. A brief introduction. Before is paro mukhtalif endocrine glands. Is wcho ganat endocrine gland kya go? Exocrine gland go gya. Tati bacho. A gland is a structure which secretes a specific substance in a body. Sani body maz use ka specific substance secrete kar. Tachwana gland. A gland is made up of group of cells or tissue. A gland is a group of cells that is tissues te wana chhu. Gland, it is the structure in the body which produces some secretions. It is made up of group of cells or which is also called as tissues. Now, exocrine gland. A gland which secretes its product into a duct or tube is called an exocrine gland. Să gland yus pani secretion chemical secretion secrete kara chhe magar yis trawa direct into the in kun ducts mas kun tubes mas na ki buildas mas tat start wana tat gland wana exocrine gland ko să gland yus secretion pani directly kun ducts mas yani kun tubes mas karan secrete chhe tat wana exocrine gland. For example, the salivary gland secretes saliva into the duct called salivary duct. Yus salivary gland साइन ٲسن منٛز موٗجوٗد آسان چھُ یِم اَسہِ پٔرمٕژ چھِ گۄڈٕنِکِس چیپٹرس منٛز تِم چھِ پنٕنۍ سیکریشن کران ڈایریکٹ اِن ٹو دَ سیلوری ڈکٹ ٹیوٗبس منٛز تَتہِ پٮ۪ٹھ تِم ماوتھس منٛز یِوان سیلوری ٹیوٗبس منٛز تَتہِ پٮ۪ٹھ یِوان ماوتھس منٛز تَتھ تِم گلینڈ گٔے ایگزوکراین گلینڈز. The exocrine glands are glands having duct. Thus, أسۍ کیٛاہ وَنو تیٚلہِ exocrine glands گٔے تِم glands یِمن ducts آسان چھُ گوٚو تیٚلہِ گوٚو ٹاٹھیو بچو the glands having ducts tubes in which secretion is secreted through these tubes. These glands are called exocrine glands. Salivary gland چھِ etc. باقی gland. Then یُس اَسہِ اصلی study کرُن یَتھ چیپٹرس منٛز أسۍ چھِ کران hormones secrete اصلی hormones چھِ اَسہِ study کرٕنۍ. Then we have endocrine glands. A gland which does not have a duct and secretes its product directly into the bloodstream is called an endocrine gland. سُہ گلینڈ یَتھ نہٕ کانٛہہ ٹیوٗب چھُ کہِ گلینڈ اَتھ چھُنہٕ بٕتھِ ٹیوٗب کِہینۍ کُنہِ ٹیوٗبہِ منٛز سیکریٹ گژھان یہِ چھُ گلینڈ یَتَس پَتہٕ چھُنہٕ ٹیوٗب کَران یہِ ڈایریکٹلی پَنٕنۍ سیکریشن لگاوان بٕلڈ سٹریٖمَس منٛز بٕلڈس منٛز سٔرکولیشنہِ منٛز اَتھ چھِ وَنان endocrine gland. The endocrine glands are called ductless glands. یعنی یِمن چھِ ductless یعنی ٹیوٗب روٚستُے gland. They secrete their secretion directly into the bloodstream. They are called as ductless glands. Endocrine glands secrete a chemical substance called hormones. کیٛاہ چھِ کران secrete endocrine gland? They secrete a substance, a chemical substance یِم سانہِ باڈی منٛز مُختٔلِف فنکشن کنٹرول کران چھِ تِمن چھِ وَنان أسۍ hormones. These are chemical substances. A structure, group of cells or tissues which make the hormones in the body is called endocrine gland. تیٚلہِ کیٛاہ گوٚو endocrine gland? A structure or tissue, group of cells which make the hormone, which make a chemical substance in the body called hormone. یِم باڈی منٛز سانہِ chemical substance تیار کران چھِ تِمن چھِ أسۍ وَنان تیٚلہِ endocrine glands. گوٚو endocrine glands are structures in our body which produce these chemical substances called endocrine, called hormones. These structures are called endocrine glands. The hormones reach the concerned part of the body through blood. چوٗنٛکہِ یِم چھِ ductless glands یِم چھِ direct واتان through blood, directly through blood. Blood سۭتۍ پنٕنِس تَتھ جایہِ یَتھ جایہِ یِم کٲم کرٕنۍ چھِ یَتھ أسۍ ٹارگیٹ آرگن تہِ وَنان چھِ. Hormones are kind of chemical messengers. یعنی یہِ چھُ chemical message یِم تراوان chemical message تاکہِ بٕتھِ پَتہٕ سُہ آرگن تَمہِ حِسابہٕ فنکشن کران. A hormone is produced in one part of body and acts in other part of body. Hormone چھِ أکۍ باڈی ہٕنٛدِس أکِس پارٹس منٛز گژھان سیکریٹ مگر یہِ چھُ کٲم کران بیٚکِس پارٹس منٛز باڈی منٛز. یہِ چھُ مین پوینٹس بَنٲومٕتۍ تاکہِ تۄہہِ گژھِ سہل یہِ سَمجُن. Hormones are different types and perform different functions. چوٗنٛکہِ endocrine glands تہِ چھِ مُختٔلِف جایہِ باڈی ہٕنٛدۍ آسان یِم چھِ مُختٔلِف ہارمون کران اس لیے چھِ یِم مُختٔلِف قٕسم آسان تہٕ یِم چھِ مُختٔلِف فنکشن تہِ آسان. They have different type of chemical nature. Thus they perform different functions. Some glands in our body have both exocrine and endocrine functions. کینٛہہ glands سانہِ باڈی منٛز they act as endocrine function تہِ directly and exocrine function. Yani directly blood's must directly through tube function exocrine function te gada. For example, pancreas, testes and ovaries. Pancreas digestion related testes male reproductive organ and ovaries female reproductive organ. Both endocrine function te exocrine functions. That بیاکھ ناو تہِ وَنان یِمن merocrine glands تہِ وَنان چھِ یِمن دۄشوے exocrine endocrine function آسان چھِ. For example, pancreas act as an endocrine gland and secrete hormones insulin and act as exocrine gland secrete pancreatic juice containing digest enzyme. Jealous digestion poor pancreas digestion of fats digest pancreatic amylase pancreatic lipase various enzymes secrete directly intestine digestion go for that through tube tim exocrine function magar they directly hormone secrete insulin sugar level sign body must maintain sugar will insulin come as a secrete gumut that go imis endocrine function go as hormone insulin when it secretes hormone insulin that kus function go that go imis endocrine digest juice this exocrine function go some organ gland which perform both endocrine function as well as exocrine function. Another gland. Testes are glands which act as endocrine glands and secrete hormone. Testes, male reproductive organ. Testes secrete hormone that is testosterone at the puberty secrete secrete hormone. The exocrine gland secretes sperm as an exocrine gland through duct sperm duct them throw directly sperms into the duct that means sperm release go. It acts as an endocrine secretes hormone and an exocrine function secretes directly into the sperm directly into sperm duct. Similarly, ovaries female reproductive organ man ova secrete as an endocrine gland as an endocrine secrete hormone it secretes hormone that is estrogen hormone and secretes ova directly into the duct. Ova secretes directly into the duct. Function function as an exocrine function which is endocrine. Some organs are some glands are endocrine, some are exocrine, but some are both having endocrine function as well as exocrine function. These are called merocrine glands, for example pancreas, this testes and ovaries. Hope you had understand it. Tomorrow inshallah we will study some glands and their functions. Till then, khuda.